Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Vijay and today I'm going to teach you MS Excel lecture number 63. Today we will talk about auto serial numbers, auto filling days, auto filling months, creating custom lists, and creating custom data lists. So before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learn something from today's video, if you are able to learn something new, then please do like and share this video because your one like can help this video reach as many people as possible. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, we will talk about how to insert serial numbers. If you type one here, after typing one, if you click here while holding the control key, and then bring the cursor to the corner where you see the black plus sign and drag it downwards, you will see that the serial numbers get added automatically. This is one way to do it. The second way is that you type one here, then type two after that, select both of them, and then click here. This way you can also add serial numbers. And the third method, which is even easier, is that you type one here. After typing one, you need to click here, then go to fill, and after that, click on series fill. So where will you find the fill command? Click on the home tab, then go to fill and click on series. After that, here you have the step value as 1, meaning you typed 1 and it has appeared here. Now let's type 100 here, or if you want the numbers up to 15, enter 15 here. Then click on column if you want the numbers in a column, or click on row if you want them in a row. I want them in a column, so as soon as we click OK, you can see that the numbers up to 15 have been added here. So in this way, you can easily add serial numbers here. In the same way, I typed the days here. For example, I typed Friday here, and after typing Friday, if we click here and drag downwards, you can see that the days have been added here. And the second method is that you type any one day here, then select all the cells where you want to bring in the days. Then you have to click on home, after that go to fill, click on fill, then click on series fill, and after that, click on autofill here. As soon as we click OK, you can see that the days have been filled here. In the same way, if we want to add months, just like I typed June here, after that, select all the cells here, then go to fill, click on series fill, go to autofill, and when you click OK, the months will also be filled in for you. And the second method is that you write any month here, and then at the corner at the bottom right, click on the plus sign, and after that, drag it like this so you can also add months here. Similarly, if you want to type years here, I typed 2022. You can see that as I drag, only 2022 is coming up, 2023 is not appearing. So what do we need to do for this? We'll type 2022, then below that we'll type 2023, we'll select both of them and then drag them. Now you can see that as you drag, the series is being generated properly. After that, we'll talk about custom lists. For example, suppose I want to create a list here. Maybe I have my own business with many items and I want to add the names of those items here. Or maybe I have a team or I have some members or employees and I want that if I type the name of any one of them here, the rest of the names should automatically be added as well. This is called creating a custom list. Just like how you already have lists of days, months, and years created and pre-added in the computer or in Excel, here we want to add our own custom lists as per our needs. So for this, what we need to do is go to File, click on File, then click on Options. After clicking on Options, we will go to Advanced and then come to the General tab. As we scroll down, once we reach the General tab, you need to click on Edit Custom List here. As soon as we click on Edit Custom List, this custom list box will open in front of you. So here you will write all those items or names that you want to turn into a list. For example, I wrote some names here. I wrote Ali Raza here. Then you need to put a comma after each name. I wrote Rashid Ali here. I wrote Majid Khan here. I wrote Sajid Ali here. I wrote Anil here. I wrote Rocky here. I wrote Sajid here. And I wrote Fahim here. After adding the names like this, we have to click on add here. And after that, you have to click OK here and then click OK again. Now, if you type any one of these names, like I typed Anil here, then as soon as we drag it, the rest of the names will automatically be added. For example, if I type Ali Raza here, suppose I typed Ali Raza, then as soon as I drag it, the rest of the names will automatically be added. So in this way, you can also create a custom list here. And now we are going to learn the second command, which is how to create a custom data list if you want to make a list here. That is, as soon as you click here, your list should open right here and not anywhere else. So for this particular step, what we do is write down several different items here in this list, like I have typed USB flash drive here, then the keyboard, then the mouse, then the computer monitor, then the LCD screen or then the LED display, then the hard drive. And then finally the laptop. That is, in this way, I have added some items here. After writing the data like this, you need to select it and then rename it. Here we click. And after clicking, I have renamed it here. For example, I named it items. And as soon as we press enter, you can see that this selection has now been saved under the name item. Now we want to create a list here so that whenever I click here, my data will be displayed in this list. So for this, what we'll do is click on the data tab, then go to data validation, and after that, click on list. Here we will type equals to and then type items, which is the name you have given. And after that, as soon as we click OK, you will see that the complete list is displayed here. Whichever item you click on from this list will be added here. If we drag this into all the cells, then whenever we click here, we won't need to write it every time. In this way, we can also create a custom data list here as we wish. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how you can add auto serial numbers here, add the names of days, add the names of months, add years, add your own custom list here as you wish. And besides that, you can also create a custom data list here. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.